Yep, you see it right here, so you know that this is indeed for real. Well, not that you were doubting me anyways, but yeah, that's that. Actually, hold on a second. No. We're gonna keep this guy in the frame. He's gonna stay here. He must stay here while we are doing this. Yes. For a very long time, I've been wanting. Actually, originally I intended to buy a white one first, but I couldn't find any for a good price because at the time when I was looking around, most people wanted like $200, $300. I'm like, nah. As much as I like this phone, I couldn't justify paying like $300 for a phone from 2014. So, okay. Oh, look at this. Oh, so beautiful. Dang. Is this my packing slip here? Yes, it is. So, that is obviously not going to be the frame. Am I seeing battery saver already? No, I'm not talking about the black. I'm talking about this phone that I'm recording on. I thought I should have charged it from yesterday, but I did not. Wow. Wow, oh wow. Would you look at this? So beautiful. And yes, it feels good. It may be plastic, but it still feels good. The sides are stainless steel. This is a nice premium touch. Let's look inside this. And you can see that it has a micro SD card slot. Something that some of these phones just don't have anymore. And you can see some other information over there. Too bad it doesn't have a removable battery. That really sucks, but at least... Oh yes, and the headphone jack! How can I not mention the headphone jack? This beautiful little hole is absent from too many phones. Just too many. Even with the Samsung flagships, they've lost it. Actually, I should go as far to say they lost their minds. Really. Like, I don't know why they do something like that. The latest Note series, they've just lost so much hardware over the years, it's ridiculous. Now, okay. What more should I do? Start it up, of course. Can't just have it just like that. Well, can it even start up actually? Or is it dead? Oh, no, it's not dead. You see that. You see BlackBerry. If you can get it to focus on BlackBerry. Instead, you can see the Lumia in the background and some other stuff. And the meter sticks. Yes, there are meter sticks. Why are there meter sticks? Because you know what? Meter sticks just work. When you want to record flat, actually, do I even need to explain this? Serious, okay, I'm not gonna laugh at this, but laying this aside, let's just focus on this loading circle. Yeah, because that's cool. Or should I actually skip this? Actually, no, I should just keep talking. Perhaps just to tell you why. Why did I decide to buy this in 2020? Because I just really wanted a white BlackBerry Passport. And when I finally got the opportunity to get one for an affordable price, I had to hop on it. Okay, so it looks like it's already... Does this guy all of his own information in here? Or is this just a... Okay, no. This is just a demo account. Because I remember the last time when I bought this guy back in late 2019, it also had something already set up. So at first I was like, oh boy, did somebody forget to delete information? That was not the case. As you can see here, it says complete setup. So what you should probably do at this point is just restart it and then put in my information, maybe download some applications or whatever, and then we can turn the camera again. Actually, hold on a second. Before I do that, does this camera actually work? Let's see if it focuses. I know for passports, they have this pretty notorious problem where they have a hard time focusing. So let's see if this thing can focus. Yes, it can focus. Okay, can it focus here? Yeah. Okay, good. Doesn't have any focusing issues. Okay, so after a long time of waiting for it to clear everything, seriously, that was really long. I think it was maybe like 15 to 35 minutes. I know, insane. Now we're finally back. So let's go to next. Okay, hopefully this doesn't take too long. This is just the software agreement and whatever. So you pretty much have to agree. So you can say, no, I don't agree. Or then you won't get to use the phone, which really sucks, but it's the way it is. Like, seriously, who was trying to actually realize? Like, do you see that? As soon as I hit T to go all the way back up, and then, like look how much text it is. That is insane. Who needs all of that? Well, we'll have to agree anyways. So connect to a mobile network. Not right now because I have the SIM in the other one. I'm gonna take it out. So we'll have to just skip. Scanning. Okay, so this part, I'm probably going to have to just throw an edit over the screen because Wi-Fi networks are sensitive things, so I can't show you that. Okay, so let's see. Where is it? Where is it? I don't see it anywhere, so okay, we'll just go next for now because I can't find anything. And do I want to enable anything? No, I'll disable that for now. Initial setup is complete, so we'll go next. And okay, I don't need this to show me how to use the screen because hello, we already have this here, so we don't need that. Okay, so oh whatever, they're gonna show me anyway. It's just so lame. Move left, move right, and move the circle to the right edge of the. Okay, great. I feel like we're learning to dance here or something. Now we have to swipe down, swipe up. I know this is so super lame, but I just felt like showing it anyway. I think I said I wasn't going to show it, so I'm like, eh, whatever. You can leave an application by touching. Really? Really? I really do not need this. This is so lame. What is this? You have minimized the app on your screen. Try again. No, I don't want to try again. Let's just continue. This is just. Alright, maybe I should actually just skip this. This is a simulation. Touch the top edge of the glass and slide your finger down. Urgh! Okay, that's it. Can we get out to this lame tutorial now? Okay, thank you. Whew! That was lame. Oh. Okay, maybe I shouldn't have put the video camera so high up from this, because it just makes it so hard to stand and hold this. Because I don't have the Wi-Fi connected to this, I'm going to need to do that so we can play some games and stuff. So, I'll be back very soon. Okay, so after struggling to get this thing to connect to the Wi-Fi, I finally have it connected. So let's go ahead and delete applications I do not care about, starting with Foursquare, be gone, LinkedIn, also be gone. I wish I could delete Amazon and the App Store. Not that I hate Amazon, but I just have no use for these APK applications. Yes, I have no use for this either. I mean, obviously I use YouTube, but this application is just junk and it's outdated. Evernote, you need to go too. Come on, get out of here. Alright, now that's gone. How does my screen look? Is it focusing on it? No, it looks like a ghost. Whoop. Okay, looks like I'll still have to hold it a bit close. Actually, no, if I hold it too close, you're gonna see the distracting background. You know, I'll just keep it here. I guess when I start gaming, then I can start bringing it closer, but I don't know, we'll see. So, okay. What should I play first? Tunnel X, because I think it's cool, and it showcases its power somewhat. I don't know. I thought it's still in the App Store, that is. Yes, it is. Great. Battery critically low on this camera here. It's at 10%. I think it can make it. So, okay, I can't demonstrate 2 games for this unboxing, but I can always do that later. Okay, the download, depending on how long this takes, I may or may not edit this out. Actually, who am I kidding? I'm going to edit this out. We really don't need to see this. Okay, so it's finished. And do I still see those unpleasant waves? It still looks like it's rippling a bit, but hopefully that's not too distracting. Once I start playing the game, it shouldn't. What is going on here? Shared files, no. Device identifying information, no. A game does not need to do that. That's just weird. Okay. Alright, just push this down now. Will I have enough battery power to film this? I don't know. I think this thing's gonna shut off soon. So we'll have to keep this pretty quick. So that was delayed. Ah! And now I lost. Okay, so that's it for this unboxing. I know that seemed very quick and abrupt, but this thing's gonna die soon, and it's the same phone that I plan to use to take pictures of these two, so that is it for this video. Well, actually, not yet. Okay, now that's it.